So I just got this 28-inch Blackstone griddle as a gift from my wife, probably because I was smoking up the kitchen a little too much trying to make smash burgers. But this one comes in a pretty large box and is fairly heavy, so you'll probably want to get someone to help you, or just do what I did and drag it across the floor if you have to. But packaging seemed to be pretty good. Luckily, nothing was damaged. It does look like there's a lot of parts, but this was actually pretty simple to assemble. Might have took me a couple hours, and that's only because I was trying to record the progress as I was going. Luckily, it's already upside down, so you can start out by putting the wheels on the legs, then attach the bottom tray with just a screw on each side. And the tools that you're gonna need is an adjustable wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and if you want to use wrenches or sockets, I used a 10mm on the small parts, 17mm for the wheels. Once you attach the two small pieces to the black bar, that's where the LP tank is gonna go. Then you just attach that bar to the side with a couple screws. Then you just have a couple more things to put on, like the shelf there on the side with 2 screws, and on the opposite side you've got the handle, which is put on with 4 screws. Next, just go ahead and push on the plastic knobs on the front, and then don't forget to take off the igniter to put one AA battery in there. And then if you haven't noticed already, this is gonna look very similar to a regular gas grill, just slightly different since it doesn't have a lid. Then the last step is just setting the griddle on top, which you may need another person. Considering this is one of the heaviest pieces, I kind of wish it locked in a little better because it feels like it's just sitting on top, but we'll see how it goes once I start using this. And then you just slide your drip tray right there on the back, and that's pretty much it. Overall, I feel like this griddle is nice and heavy duty. It looks good and has pretty good build quality. Also appears to have some grease already on the griddle, so I may just let that burn off for a while before using. Plus, I've also got some of their seasoning to put on here a few times to let that burn off. And hopefully this video gave you a little closer look at the 28-inch griddle from Blackstone. This one seems like the perfect size for us, and it should fit nicely on our deck. Now I can start practicing on my smash burgers to get them just right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.